The Gray Man is a compelling character archetype often seen in literature and cinema. He represents a mysterious figure blending into the background, remaining unnoticed in a crowd. The Gray Man is skilled at espionage, a master of disguise, and an enigmatic persona who operates in the shadows. This character type has been popularized in espionage thrillers and spy novels, adding intrigue and suspense to stories. The Gray Man's ability to navigate high-stakes situations with stealth and cunning captivates audiences, making him a timeless symbol of espionage and covert operations in storytelling.